Masters or PhD, you have to be a Sri Lankan citizen offered by United Kingdom. Hello everyone, I'm Dinesh. I'm going to tell you about a scholarship for you. Scholarship is published on Ministry of Education, Higher Education and Vocational Education of Sri Lanka. The scholarship is offered by United Kingdom, which is for 2026. The name of the scholarship is called Commonwealth Fund, which is usually offered by United Kingdom for multiple countries. So Sri Lanka is also there. So you can apply for this scholarship if you're willing to do a master's or PhD. They are expecting of 9 master's students and 6 PhD students. The application form will be open on 2nd of September 2025 and it will end on 14th of October 2025. They have called for the field of studies like science and technology for development, improving population health system and capacity, promoting innovation and entrepreneurship, strengthening peace, security and governance, strengthening resilience and response to crisis, assess inclusion and opportunity. So if you are relevant to this area, then willing to pursue a master's or PhD, then you can definitely apply for this. There are a fixed number of seats allocated for Sri Lankan government. Then there are some criteria you have to be matched with that to apply for this scholarship. So the general eligibility requirement is you have to be a Sri Lankan citizen and you should be able to in a good health condition to live in UK throughout the period of study. For the master application, you should have 4 years of degree with a first class or second upper, which is equal to SLQF 6 and which should be in the relevant field and recognized university by UGC. If you are willing to do a PhD, then the same as master, you should have 4 years of degree with a first class or second upper in a relevant field, which should be obtained from a recognized university by UGC. You should have a master's like a SLQF should be 9, 10 or 11, right? And from a recognized university, that's also important. So other than that, there is a restriction for you. If you are applying for a PhD, then you should not have to register a PhD or MPhil in UK or Sri Lanka up to September or October 2026. So it's a long time you have to wait for this scholarship once you apply. And you should have at least one supporting statement from one of your supervisor from one of the university you have applied for. This is compulsory things for PhD. And to apply for this, there's a student portal as well. You have to do in an online application for this. The relevant links are given in the PDF. I will give it to you for your reference, then you can use, or else you can go to our Ministry of Education website, Higher Educational website, and you can find in the scholarship subcategory. Then these files are available. Before you start applying for this, there are some guidelines you have to follow, and you have to have some documents before you start application. Better to read the guidelines first and then you start the application. Moreover, there are some 5 special notes for you to read before you apply. These are must. You have to understand if you receive the scholarship, and if you cannot go at some point of reason, then don't apply for this. So this will spoil your life, right? This is must. You have to take care before you start the application or the plan your high studies. This containing the interview and the selection method, how they will select for you for this scholarship, and there is some grading mechanism as well. So how they will assess your application based on what are the criteria like academic merit, quality of research proposal for doctorates. So if you are applying for a master's, then the quality of study plans. So what are the study plans you have, and the development impacts. So there are some primary indicators and secondary indicators. You have to read this all completely before you apply for this. Better to apply and share this with your friends who has completed their university degree and looking for an opportunity to study. So good luck guys. Thank you.